This time, I will show you how to install Docker on Windows. Here, I will show you how to install Docker for Windows. To use Docker for Windows, it is necessary to support Hyper-V with Windows 10 Professional Enterprise Education. First, we are going to check operating environment. Type Windows key plus X to open the system menu and select Task Manager. Next, click Performance tab menu. Then, numerical values such as usage rate and speed rate displayed under the graph. So make sure that virtualization is enabled in that. If it is disabled, enable virtualization with the BIOS setting of the machine. Next, open the download site of Docker for Windows in the browser. That URL is store.docker/editions/community/docker-c-desktop-windows. The Get Docker button is displayed on the right side, so click on it to start the download. When the download is finished, open the folder you downloaded. Then Docker for Windows installer.exe will be displayed. Double-click on it to start installation. When installation is completed, click the hat icon on the right side of the taskbar. And if the icon of Docker is displayed and Docker is running is displayed, the installation is successful. If Docker icon is animated, it is running Docker, so wait until its animation ends. Next, right-click the Docker icon to open the pop-up menu. Then select Settings. A setting window will open, so make various settings here. On the screen, when you open the General menu, just check item Expose daemon on TCP:/localhost: 2375 without TLS is on. If you want to execute the Docker command from WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, check it. Close the setting window with the Close button on the upper right. Next, check the version of Docker installed. On the command line, type Docker version. It's okay. Installation of Docker for Windows is completed. Thank you for your watching.